Tape it on the spool. Trip one bar. Off the spool. Take another piece of tape. Throw that piece away. Make one of these spools. Take your bolt all the way from one side to the other with a locking nut. So it sticks out the end here, so you can chuck it in the drill. This one here, the bolt, and have a long bolt. So I use a bolt that went halfway through. I poured epoxy down the hole here, and epoxy this in. I'm basically just gonna throw this spool away when it gets full of old line. Now that we have the line, run through the eyes on the rod. You can put it in the level end. Stick the line in one of the holes on the reel. That'll bring it around for you. And tie a knot in. Cut that off a little bit. Tie an arbor knot or an overhand knot. Pull that down. To make a spool holder, you can take a box, punch a hole in each side, take a shaft, look through the hole in the box, go through the middle of the spool, go through the other side of the box, hold your spool and put the line on your reel. Make sure your line comes off the top of the spool and it goes onto the reel. Start spooling the line up on the reel. Put your fingers here to hold the line, put a little tension on it.